Right, here we are. Of course I forgot to pick up the camera, so we're all back up and running now, and it's as neat as I could get it inside. So let's hit the button. Solid state drives, gotta love them. So there we are. I relocated the drive light on the front, because where it sits in under there, you wouldn't have seen it, so happy enough now. So this thing is running, should run very cool. Two fans there, 200mm in the top, 140mm there, another 140mm in the back, and a 140mm on the cooler. It's fairly quiet. The only downside is my graphics card fried itself. I don't know what happened. No idea. I fired it up with the graphics card in it, and the magic smoke escaped. But I was planning a new one anyway, because I want a third monitor. So we're back up and running with no PC here for about a month, so I'm glad to be back in the land of the living. So place is in total disarray, but that's what happens when you do these things. So let's have a look and see. I'm going to and there, yes. Let's see what we got. AMD FX 4300 quad core. So we're happy enough with that. Memory 8 gigs. Close that. Let's see. Wait for speed fan to open. Show the magic. So it's running fairly cool. I know it's only kind of idle state really, but it's running pretty cool. So I don't know what that's about. Fan 2, 4708 RPM, and this one. There's nothing actually connected to those two headers. The only two that's connected is this one. That's the cooler, and that's the intake on the side. The rest of them are all powered direct from the power supply. So I'm not too sure what that's about. So anyway, it's back up and running, so kind of happy with that. The only thing I have to deal with now is getting Windows, the product key sorted out, because on Windows 10 it's tied to your motherboard. So as far as this is concerned now, it's not registered. So let's have a look at that and see. As I did do something earlier on, and it said that it may work later. System. Yeah, it says Windows. Sorry about the finger. Windows is not activated, so I'll have to ring them about that and see what the story is. Anyway, that's it for now. Thank you for watching.